Hello, welcome again to Geometric Progression series of India Edu tutorials. In our previous classes, we have discussed about basic concepts of GP, some questions of level 1. Today, we are moving to level 2 questions. The question here says, if ratio of sum of first 6 terms of GP to sum of first 3 terms of GP is 9:1, what is common ratio of GP? Here it is given that ratio of sum of first 6 terms, which is S6, to the sum of first 3 terms, which is S3, is equal to 9:1, that is 9/1. Then find the common ratio of GP, and we need to find out here value of R. So putting the formula. So formula to calculate sum of 6 terms in GP would be equal to A into R to the power 6 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Similarly, formula for sum of 3 terms would be A into R to the power 3 minus 1 upon R minus 1. As we don't know value of R over here, so we can have any of the formula where R is greater than 1 or where R is less than 1. Now this is equal to 9/1. Cancel R minus 1 from numerator and denominator. Similarly, cancel A. You are left with R to the power 6 minus 1 upon R cube minus 1, which is equal to 9/1. Now R6 minus 1 can be written as R cube plus 1 into R cube minus 1, because this is equal to A square plus B square, and cancel it. You will get 9/1. R cube plus 1 is equal to 9. So value of R cube is equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8. So value of R is 2. Thus our common ratio for this GP is 2. Now let's have another example. Our another example is, a man requested 1 grain of rice on first square of chessboard, 2 on second, 4 on third, 8 on fourth, and so on. How much rice is there if 1 grain of rice weighs 20 milligram? Now here we know that there are 64 squares in a chessboard, and on first square there is 1 grain, on second square there are 2 grains, third square there are 4 grains, and on 8 grains on fourth square, and so on. Now we need to find out how much rice is there on the chessboard. So we need to sum it up till 24 terms. That is, we need to find out S64 first of all to find out how many grains are there, and then we will multiply it by 20 to get the exact weight of the grains. So S24 will be equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, because the value of R is 2 over here, which is greater than 1. So we have taken this formula. It gives us A is 1 into R is 2 to the power 64 minus 1 upon 64 minus 1, which gives us 2 to the power 64 minus 1 upon 63. On solving this, you will get 1.844 into 10 to the power minus 19 as the answer. Now 1 grain weighs 20 milligram, so 1.844 into 10 to the power 19, sorry, it's plus 19 grains will be equal to 20 into 1.844 into 10 to the power 19, which will give us 3.688 into 10 to the power 19 milligram as the answer. You can convert this figure to kilogram or grams as according per the question. As there is not any mention in the question that whether they need the answer in milligram, grams or kilograms, so we have left this on milligrams only. For more tricks and for more tutorials, you can visit to indiaedu.com.